If there's a reason for a car brand to be on a woman's radar, much of it has something to do with reliability and styling. No wonder a Toyota always makes it on our list. And that's why the Corolla Cross GR-S HEV tops mine. Hi guys, Mika here. Today I will give you a run-through of the 10 reasons why the Toyota Corolla Cross GR-S HEV is every woman's best friend. First, stylish and sporty aesthetics. As someone with an active lifestyle, the sporty styling wins so many points in my book. This top-of-the-line GR-S variant has a lot of sporty touches adding to its appeal. From the prominent gloss black grille and two-tone design down to the unique 18-inch alloy wheels. It's great to know what I have as a daily driver represents my personality best. Second, luxurious and cozy interior. Once you step inside, you'll instantly get what I mean. There are soft touch materials everywhere, plus comfy GR-S leather seats that you can easily adjust to your liking. 8-way power adjustable for the driver to be exact. Third, spacious cabin. Aside from good looks, we also value functionality. For weekends spent out of town or playing sports, there's more than enough room for suitcases and equipment. Fourth, numerous cup holders and compartments. To some extent, we're all guilty of bringing so many things to our car like it's our second home. As a coffee lover, a car gets extra points simply for having enough cup holders. Fifth would be its rich tech features, which tech-savvy women can look forward to. You have the 9-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The presence of buttons makes it highly intuitive and easy to navigate. On the left, there's a 7-inch digital cluster with modern touches too. Next up, sixth, we have the advanced safety and convenience features. Of course, we prioritize safety, and thankfully the Corolla Cross HEV is loaded with features to give us confidence while driving. They call it the Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision system, automatic high beam, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. These are just a few of the many other safety features. We are also spoiled with convenience features like the power folding side mirrors, power tailgate, push-button start, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Seventh is the high ground clearance. This is useful for us since it gives us a better visual of the road, and if we come across floods, that extra height will come in handy. Eighth is high fuel economy. We're very practical, always looking for ways to get the most out of our money. Driving a hybrid would mean the car can run on gas only, on battery only, or a mix of both. Most people average 8 kilometers per liter in the city, and with the Corolla Cross HEV, you'll be happy to know that it can achieve 19.1 kilometers per liter. Ninth is sustainable drive. Us women, we're advocates for nature, and in the long run, we're not only doing our wallets a favor, but the planet too. Since it can run purely on electricity for short distances, it's guaranteed fewer carbon emissions. Lastly, it's easy and fun to drive. Us women, we also want straightforward things. And that's what we can expect from driving the Corolla Cross HEV. Under the hood, it has a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor that's made it to a continuous variable transmission. This puts out 122 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque. While driving, there's so many things commendable about it. The steering is light, braking is effortless, and acceleration is very responsive. At the same time, riding in it feels very smooth, quiet, and refined. For us women, these are things we appreciate very much. All in all, it's not surprising that the Corolla Cross GR-S HEV continues to win the hearts of women. It's just like a best friend who understands our needs. We have our list and it ticks all the boxes. With a price tag of $1,844,000, it gives us a package that seamlessly blends practicality and flair. How can we refuse that? That's all for today. Hope you guys liked this video. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. See you guys next time!